Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have a Shein haul, and I already opened it because I had some other stuff in it that's not nail related, like this thing. It's for my air fryer, so yeah, that's why it's already open. So I got some nail brush. Definitely need these. And can you guess what this is? It's an armrest where you can put your hands on if you're doing someone's nails, and it's super soft. I really didn't expect that. Next we have a tip cutter. So it looks like prints are on the inside. I'm gonna have to disinfect that. But next item, guys, look at these cute stickers. I'm obsessed. And this is some glasses. I'm gonna use it when I file because trust me, whenever I use the nail drill, the particles fly right into my eyes. It hurts, and I have dust all over my hands, so it's anyways. These blue crystals are so beautiful. I'm gonna use them in today's set, and I got some cotton. I have some more blue crystals, and something came in that, but I don't know what it is. Okay, so we have a mixed pack here. This has different shapes. I believe they're rhinestones. And this is gonna be used when I'm soaking my nails off. I'll just put it on to the cotton. So these are lint-free wipes. So it's supposed to, when you wipe your nails off, as it says, lint-free. So no lint is supposed to be on your nail. And these are some disposable applicators. It's like a cotton swab, but it's really tiny. Okay, so I'm trying to get this to stand up, but apparently the bottom is it has a rounded bottom, so it's not gonna stand. That makes no sense. But these are some cotton swabs on some a wooden stick, so you can clean up your sidewalls and cuticle area more precisely. And lastly, we have that cuticle pusher, but I guess it came from that package. So I prefer these cuticle pushers with this kind of shape. Do you see how it pushes the cuticles back? It lifts it up off the nail plate, so you can go in with your drill. So this is all I have. Let me show you how the nail cutter is. Perfect. Absolute perfect. Look at that straight line. Perfection. Okay, so I'm gonna start on my nail set. I'm gonna be using the blue crystals, and I'm using a blue acrylic. It's just a simple application today. Okay, so we're going in with Shop A Galore's acrylic, and if you haven't seen my first reviews of it, I'll leave them up above. You can click that link and watch it and then come back. So with this big brush, I don't know if it's this specific acrylic that's working well or if it's the brush. you can see how the acrylic starts to get wet on the brush, and then when I put it down, you can mold it into shape, which is surprising. Usually I would have to put it down and sometimes it breaks apart, and then I would have to wet the brush and tap it on the dry acrylic and then try to mold it. But everything has been working great for this acrylic. I'm gonna test out the other powders again with this brush. This is the Dynamics number 14 Kolinsky brush, and I'm absolutely loving it. I've been using it for all my sets except in the cuticle area. I will switch to my smaller brush, and funny enough, whenever I use my smaller brush, it feels super tiny in my hands. But yeah, this acrylic is so gorgeous. It's going on super smooth. The trick I found out with this, once you put it on the nail, just wet the tip. But let me show you on the next nail. Okay, so wet the tip, get the acrylic, put it on the nail, and then you can wait until you see that happening. Put it on the nail, gather the sides up, and then wet the tip again like that. It will help the acrylic to start moving downwards, as well as gravity. Well, by holding your finger down, gravity will pull the acrylic down, but with that extra slip layer, the acrylic will glide down on the nail. So I'll let you watch this part and I'll be right back. Okay, so that was application. Now I'm back with them shaped and filed, buffed them, washed them, all of that. So I'm gonna just paste these on my nails. So first, when I put it on, I realized that I might need to top coat them before I continue, because I'm gonna show you why. The scratches that are in the nail, like it's showing through the little part, like there's a little clear film underneath. If you can see that paper right there, like you can see the scratches under it. So if I go in and top coat it, like that part won't come out. So I'm gonna top coat everything first, and then I'm gonna show you what it would look like after it's top coated. You'll still see the scratches right under the sticker, versus if you top coat, you basically not erase but fill those scratches so it looks smooth. I left them like that. Like, can you see the scratches? Yeah, I left them like that, but you can top coat over everything, like give it a final top coat just to seal in that design. I did my pinky nail, so now I'm just finishing up this nail, and I'm placing the stickers just at random to make a nice design, and then I'll put some crystals on the three last fingers, and that will be it for the set. Honestly, this came out pretty cute. I'm not gonna even, yeah, it came out really good. I do have a haul coming up for you guys, and you need to see those glitters. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do so. Hit the like button, share the video if you can, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.